Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a super easy and quick recipe with you guys. It's a DIY that you can do at home and you probably already have all the ingredients at home. So this is a body polish step-by-step guide, and what body polish is, it's basically like a scrub and then a mask that you can do at home. Now you don't have to be a bride to do this. Like you can literally do this any time of the year, and you know, it's especially amazing for brides because you want to get that really nice even skin tone, you know, on your big day. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make that, but before we do get into the video, I just want to give a shout out to Displate.com. So I got these paintings from Displate.com, which I've hung up in my living room. I remember I mentioned in one of my Instagram posts recently that I moved houses and I was looking for decor for my new house, and I found these online and I think they're amazing. They're stuck on the wall with magnets. So I will leave links to their website below, and I've also got a discount code for you guys. So you can click on the link below and use my discount code. And I'm gonna move straight into the recipe. Okay guys, we're gonna start off by doing a coconut oil full body massage. Coconut oil is high in vitamin E and it nourishes the skin. It makes it softer and smoother. And we're gonna move on to exfoliating. So to exfoliate, I'm gonna make a scrub, which is brown sugar, aloe vera and sweet almond oil. Now, aloe vera, sugar and sweet almond oil when combined are gonna give us an amazing coarse scrub, which is going to get rid of all the dead skin. Almond oil is high in fatty acids and it retains moisture. It's also high in vitamin A, and aloe vera is amazing at healing the skin and soothing dry skin, which is why I combined all these ingredients together. And what we're going to do is, after we apply the oil, we're not actually going to clean the oil off. We're just going to start exfoliating with the scrub on top of that. So we're gonna aim to scrub the entire body for about at least 5 minutes. You might feel like it's getting a little bit red, but that's totally okay, and then you're gonna wash that right off. Okay guys, to make our body polish, we are adding some whole wheat flour. I am going to also add some chickpea flour to this mixture. It's about half whole wheat and half chickpea. Now, whole wheat flour is amazing at renewing the skin. It's high in vitamin E and this will help you remove tan. The chickpea flour is also amazing because it cleanses the skin, and we are also adding some turmeric to this mixture. Now, turmeric is antibacterial. It will help with acne scars and inflammation. I'm gonna add juice of half a lemon and also milk. Now, what you need to do is add this gradually and then keep mixing it. The problem with this body polish is if you add it too fast, it's going to get lumpy. So you need to add it slowly and make sure you get a really nice smooth paste, just like I'm showing you guys in this video. So what you're going to do is, after you've washed off that scrub, you're going to apply a nice thin layer and you're going to start massaging this body polish on the skin. Now, I'm showing this on my hands and on my arms, but you know, you're going to do this on your legs, you're going to do it on your chest, your entire body. This is great for your feet as well. It's going to really clean those dirty feet if you've got darkness on your feet or your hands. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start literally like scrubbing it, and this mixture is going to start drying and eventually peel off, and it's going to just come off without any water. Okay guys, I hope you found my body polish recipe helpful. The best thing to do is probably take a hot shower after you do this process, just to like really get all the mask off your skin. And you can do this every single day leading up to the day of the wedding. I used to do this like maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And one other thing which this mask does the body mask is it actually reduces hair on the body as well. I think because it's got the wheat flour in it, and then you know when you're massaging the wheat flour, the atta basically, and it dries, it just starts getting rid of those really fine hairs. So that is really great because you don't need to keep waxing as well. So I do hope that you guys try this out. All the details are going to be in the description below, and all the links to everything I used as well as the paintings is going to be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube, hit the subscription box below, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I upload. Bye.